Hello and welcome to Indian Drives. In this video, we will show you all the genuine accessories available for your Maruti Suzuki Dzire. To know more about these accessories, you can visit their website link, which is mentioned below in the description. But before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on such interesting automotive content. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. The steering wheel absorbs a lot of sweat from our palms while driving, and over the years, the grip and the shine of the steering wheel starts to fade away. To avoid this, you can get your Dzire an affordable steering wheel cover for just Rs 250. People who appreciate the use of chrome to customize their vehicle will love the chrome tail lamp garnish. The best part about this accessory, you can order it from the brand's website, and once delivered to your home, you can install it yourself without the need of a professional installation. The best way to declutter your glove box is by keeping a glove box organizer that comes with partition segments to organize the documents and other contents of the glove box. Installing a cover over the entire floor of a vehicle has many advantages. Firstly, it maintains the quality of the stock floor carpet. Secondly, it acts as an additional layer of protection from dust, water, and other particles which potentially damages the floor panels. So if you plan on owning your vehicle for a long time, it is always advised to invest in a floor cover and then place an additional set of mats for all the passengers to keep the cabin in an immaculate condition despite the exterior weather conditions. Additionally, you can invest in all-weather PVC mats. To keep your car neat and clean all the time, you should definitely consider getting your Dzire a PVC rubber mat. At an additional cost, you can also purchase a similar PVC mat for the boot space. The best way to make your Dzire stand out in the crowd is by customizing its body panels. The added body kit lowers the stance of the sedan and gives it a look of a lowered sedan with reduced ride height. The body kit consists of side cuts and front and rear bumper lips. These panels can be purchased individually or as a part of this body kit. To protect the edges of your bumper, you can purchase the genuine bumper corner protector from Maruti Suzuki itself. These protectors are meant to protect the bumpers from chips, cracks, and minor scratches. These protectors are compatible with all the variants of the Dzire. To keep your Dzire's bumper and body panels clean and tidy, you must consider getting a set of mud flaps if you do not have one already. For the Dzire, the mud flaps can be purchased individually or in a set of two for front or rear end. The door handle garnish offers a distinct look to the Dzire with the use of chrome. And the best part, it can be installed on all the variants of the Dzire. If you frequently enjoy your drives in rain with windows down, you must definitely get a door visor for your car. The door visors are aerodynamically designed to fit the Dzire in such a way that you do not get the raindrops inside the cabin with windows down and still receive a smooth airflow. To keep your car neat and clean, you can purchase the car dustbin from Maruti Suzuki, which can be placed in the door pockets. Wrappers, toll receipts, and other materials which are often found on the floor discarded can be thrown in the bin, helping you keep the interior space clean with minimal effort. To add some finesse to your interior space, you can buy the interior styling kits from Maruti Suzuki, which consist of designed plastic panels for doors and infotainment systems. These kits can be installed on all the variants of the Dzire. Installing an additional layer of seat cover over the stock fabric not only keeps it fresh and new, but also adds to the owner's personal taste and comfort. If you're looking for a seat cover under a budget, Maruti Suzuki has got your back, as their range of seat covers starts right under Rs 5,000 for the Dzire. For your Maruti Suzuki Dzire, we suggest the crossface dark pitch highlight seat covers, which is available for just Rs 5,389. And the last accessory on our list would be the alloy wheels. If you have settled with the lower variants of the Dzire, which did not come with the alloy wheels, we strongly recommend you to get original alloy wheels from Maruti Suzuki itself, as they are made out of a better quality of alloys than the cheap aftermarket alternatives. These alloy wheels will also give your ride a visual upgrade and make it look like a higher variant of the Dzire. So viewers, those were the few accessories which are available for your Maruti Suzuki Dzire. Do check the website to have a look at all the other accessories which might be available for your Dzire. The link is mentioned in the description box. If you like our content, do like this video, share this with your like-minded friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.